Well, I suppose they're walking in through my door because they want something that is sort of period, or, you know, a classic piece that will never go out of date. Again, you're listening to the client, what they want, and I find just putting it down on a piece of paper and showing them, you know, is this what you're talking about? We'd normally just go through the basic details, the sizes. I would do up a very, very, very brief hand sketch to give them an idea, to try and understand what they want. And we can give them a ballpark price, and then if they're happy to proceed, we go to the next stage where we do up proper, you know, AutoCAD drawings and an official price. Over time you build up an eye, a very quick eye as to what's good and bad. Moisture content, you're checking if it's straight, you're checking for the grain, you're checking if there are too many knots in it. There's no opening boxes and assembling, this is all handmade, so literally from a tree to a plank to a cabinet, it's all done by hand. And we pride ourselves in that. We're one of the last joineries out there, I think, doing it. It's all our, you know, methods of joining timber is all the traditional methods. You know, from mortise and tenon to dovetails to halving joints, all the traditional, the stuff that has stood the test of time. When we're going in or we're restoring a cabinet, and it's a cabinet that could be 200 years old, and it's made exactly the same way that we're making our cabinets today. So we know it's going to last. Especially, I think more people are spending more and more time in the kitchen, and now everything is kitchen, living, dining, so it's kind of the social room of the house. It's always nice to get the emails or photographs, which we often get every week. There's always a couple in there from clients who've showed me their larder packed with all their stuff and they can't believe that it fitted so much, to the person who's got the full kitchen and they're sitting there in their island just delighted with everything, or there's the front door, or whatever we've made, we constantly get emails, and it's just lovely to see that and get that response.